Hello, this is Trash Train Punk on a very sad November day. Not the brightest sunlight outside. Let's say no sunlight outside at all. And I just wanted to introduce somebody to you. I want to introduce Karen to you. As you maybe have seen in former videos, I had some problems. I had no tripod for my old tablet. I used, let's say, this device that's now used for illumination. Just one leg, you had to hold it, you had to put the tablet here behind. Here's space for the camera, and so I made the videos, but well, this device does not serve anymore, and therefore I'll build something new. So let me introduce you to Karen. Well, two slim, long legs, what a beauty. I built this out of some wood, and this is the device that will be used for the next videos. From the construction, you see over here there is this little this wooden whatever with 4 wheels. This was something I had chilling around for several years without using it. This is for if you have tropical plants and you enter them into the house for winter, you use these boards with wheels. Then screwed to it, there's a 10 centimeters wood. This is also the counterweight for the computer, so that the whole device doesn't tip over so easily. Then you have here the long, tall, slim legs upwards, here reinforcement, and then the place for the computer. As you see, with the wheels, that's a little bit smoother than what you see now without tripod, without nothing. And there you put the computer inside. There's a little bit of protection here. You see here, it's like rails, so the computer is fixed. Then you have security measures. This wood, so it can't tip over to the back. And of course, let's see, flop, these woods, so it can't tip over to the front. Well, the name Karen is of course because it remembered me when I was building it after the wife of the evil guy from SpongeBob SquarePants, Plankton. He has this computer wife Karen. When I built this construction, I didn't want to pay. Just wanted to paint it. Wanted to make the construction, but it looked so much like Karen, so I painted it so it looks nicer. Well, you know, Karen in SpongeBob SquarePants is named after the wife of Steven Hillenburg. And well, and my device is named after Plankton's wife, Karen. So this has this possibility to move it is that I for the purpose that I cannot only film the layout, but also do, for example, zack, like that. unboxing videos or tutorials having both hands free, so it will be much easier to show you something, to show you a logo or a car, or maybe screw something into pieces. Well, okay. So in the future, have a look at her. You'll see the world, my little world, through Karen's eyes. And let's have a test. Let's have a little test. So, zack. Okay. Then that's the correct angle. With the wheels, it's much easier to turn around. Can even show over here this little medieval port and the aircraft carrier Stuttgart, and some houses that you will see later in the middle of the layout, because this hole in the middle, of course, will not stay like that. So I think it will be much easier to do videos in the future with the help of Karen. And here you see the tutorial or unboxing version. Okay, there's a lot of trash under the layout, but if I put this trash away, you can go directly with the wheels under the layout. And also in the part where I have the desk to build some the models and all this, I can take Karen over and we can do some tutorials. Well, that's now a little bit of a technical question, but I wanted to show you this because I found well, this device and how it developed really funny. Just and you see now there's both hands able to do something, not like in the past. So let's run the ice train. So no more tipping over to the layout like in the first videos. Maybe you remember those, when it has this terrible sound and the tablet in the one-legged tablet holder falls down on the layout. So we'll have some videos in the future that will be much easier for me to prepare. And also you can see then, of course, with two hands I can also run several trains at the same time, or use the hand switches, because this with just one hand holding the camera or the camera device is just not possible. And this battery powered and with layout with hand switches is like the old layouts with hand switches and clockwork trains. You need your hands, you need both hands, and maybe also two persons, two children playing at the same time, so you can run several trains. And this will be much, much easier with the help of Karen. So, well, thanks for watching. Keep playing with trains, that's what we do, and stay well. Until next time.